For the first time ever, Luzerne County will be hosting what is being called a Missing Persons Day. And here to tell us all about it is Luzerne County District Attorney Stephanie Salavantis and also Pennsylvania State Police Corporal Sean Williams. Thank you both for being here. DA Salavantis, I was told that this is kind of your brainchild, that you came up with this idea. And tell us why it was so important for you to do it and how it came about.
Well, I have to say, this is something that I care deeply about, but Corporal Sean Williams and the Pennsylvania State Police have been really a driving force with the District Attorney's Office on this. This is something that is near and dear to my heart because this is what we consider the nation's silent mass disaster. These people who are missing or unidentified. And the numbers that we're dealing with on an annual basis is extraordinary. And we need to allow the public and educate the public on what is going on.
Now, we saw success recently with the Lucille Fry case. We had talked with you both about that. So I guess that kind of gave you the incentive to go forward as well with this, hoping to have other success stories where you could either identify someone who is missing or maybe bring them home safely is the even better way to do it.
Yes, the only way we're going to solve these cases is through teamwork and having, like in this case, this missing person day. It's going to be a day where people can come, families can come and register their missing person and their family, the victim, and they can come there and it'll be like almost like one-stop shopping. They can come there with the biometrics, the dental information. We'll collect DNA from family members. We will take all those sorts of things so that we can put them in a national database and we can connect these people with the right police departments. Twofold, we're also going to have law enforcement are invited to come that day. If they're working on missing person cases, they can come there, freshen up their case, bring those things that are absent that they can now, they have a source to put it in as well, so we can all work together. We're going to have people there from the DA's office pointing victims' families in the right direction. And we expect a lot of success out of this. Even if we get a few people, we think it's going to be a very successful day. However, since the Lucille Fry case came out, I've had a lot of people contacting me all throughout the state. I know the District Attorney's Office has as well, and we're pointing them all towards this May 31st date to come and be part of it.
The things have changed over the years, so there is new technology available so that maybe if there was a missing person before, you didn't have all the resources that you have now.
Absolutely, and a prime example is the Lucille Fry case. We didn't have that technology back then, and being able to use what we have today to identify these individuals, it's amazing, and it's important to the family. And we, as law enforcement, want to say that they're never forgotten, that these cases are never completely closed, that we are always working on them. And we will have a family member at the Missing Persons Day who has been through this and lives with this every day, who will speak to the public about what she's been through and what her family has been through.
There will be support there with everybody joining together in the same boat. Absolutely. They can pre-register, but not required.
Correct. If you don't feel like you want to contact us, show up that day. We're not going to turn anyone away. The whole focus here is to, number one, like District Attorney Salavantis just said, it's going to be a lot of support for families, but also we want to take care of business. We want to get these people in the system, in our databases, so that we will have success.
You can pre-register at the information on your screen, or you can just come that day, and hopefully we can all, say a prayer that everybody gets the right answers and that their missing person is found safe and sound.